very, very radical skeptical conclusion.
So the past year, I've been taking most of my notes on my iPad, and I've primarily used the app GoodNotes 5. It is a paid app, so it's a one-time fee of $7.99, but I think it's definitely worth the cost since they have so many different paper and notebook cover options. And something that they recently added also that I like is the Elements update, where you can save and reuse your own stickers or use their sticky notes, which is something I really enjoy using since I like to always add little sticky notes or pictures to spice up my notes. So when it comes to taking notes on the iPad, the most frequently asked question I have ever received is what's a good free note-taking app that's similar in caliber to GoodNotes? And I can finally give you an answer: Call a Note. Basically, it's a combination of GoodNotes and Notability, and surprisingly, it is completely free. Something that I haven't seen in other apps is that you can save your favorite pen colors, which I think is a really great option since usually if I'm going for a color scheme, I'll reuse the same colors over and over, so that's really convenient. And you can also record audio, import and annotate on PDFs, add elements and sticky notes similar to GoodNotes' new Elements option, and it also has a bunch of different paper designs to choose from as well. Something else that I think is really cool about it is that it has a smart dark mode that automatically changes the color of your text. So if you don't want to spend any money and you're looking for a free note-taking app for the iPad, I would recommend checking out Call a Note because I think you guys will really like it. Hold on, give me a moment, I'm almost ready. All right now, Lumos! There, that's better. Hi, it's me, the Productivity Fairy. I'm here to talk to you about today's sponsor, Brilliant. If you struggle with math or science and need really good, in-depth explanations to understand a certain subject, or if you just can't get enough of math and science and you really want to advance your skills, then the best way to actually really actively learn the material is by applying it yourself. And that's exactly what Brilliant allows you to do. Brilliant is a problem-solving app and site that guides you through different problems that are then broken down into different digestible explanations. If you missed a question, they have really detailed explanations of why you missed it, and that way you can correct your silly little mistakes. So to check out and learn more about Brilliant, go to this link and sign up for free. Also, the first 200 people that go to this link will get 20% off the annual premium subscription. That's all I have for this message. Goodbye!
Отойди, пожалуйста. Бася, деда needs to set up the ladder, okay?
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Did we find Kitty?
Still what?
We found Kitty. Okay. All right.
Did we found her?
Yes,
Did we found? Did we found?
Соус для чего? На пляже почему?
Hey, it's not for you. The tea is not for you. The tea is for me. Okay? All right?